So once you twist it to the left, it's open, and then we're gonna spray all in. Make sure it covers all the corners. And once that is done, turn it to the right and then close it. Now with this, we are just going to let it sit for at least 5 to 10 minutes, but I'm going to leave it for at least 20 minutes. Normally it says to leave it for 5 minutes here, but we are going to leave it for at least 10 to 20 minutes and we'll come back. So it has been almost 20 minutes since I left this. So we are just going to start scrubbing with our brush. Look at how this is coming right out. Remember to wear your eyeglasses, which I'm wearing now. And don't let this get to your skin because it itches your skin. I've tried it. The filth. Look at how it cleans all that. Look at that inside. See how much stain is getting out? Look at that. Alright, and now we're just gonna flush. And just clean the rest. So all that is coming out. Wipe this off here. Make sure I wash my brush in. I'm gonna flush it one more time. Just look at how clean this is. So amazing. Now you can see how clean, neat, new the toilet bowl looks like. It looks so clean, and then it even removed a lot of stain inside really deep. You can see